How to turn off time-sensitive notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. Notification settings allow users to customize how they receive alerts from various apps, controlling what is displayed, where it's displayed, and when it's displayed. This includes managing banner styles, sounds, badge app icons, and grouping notifications by app or thread. On this page, scroll down to the Notification Style section and tap on any app. For example, Amazon. You can manage the app notification settings from here. Now, go to the Always Deliver Immediately section and turn off the time-sensitive notifications switch to disable it. Time-sensitive notifications are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. Following these steps, you can easily turn off time-sensitive notifications on iPhone.